Hey YouTube, it's Colin, and today my wife and I got this Ashland 7.5 Twinkly Pre-Lit Laurel Pine Tree. I'm going to unbox it, assemble it, demonstrate the software, and then provide a quick review. My wife and I got married not too long ago, and we bought a new house, and we wanted to buy a Christmas tree that would last us for quite some time. So what appealed to us about this one was that it had programmable lights. There's a lot of other trees that were just like, they either have like colored LEDs or white LEDs that don't change, but we like that this one did change. And this tree I think goes by different names. There's one on Amazon called Evergreen, there's some at Home Depot, there's some at Lowe's, and they're around like the $400 to $600 range. We got this one at Michael's for $350. Originally it was $699, but they had this Christmas sale going on, so there was like up to 60% off, so we got this one for $350. And I know there's a lot of other trees on sale for around $100 for a 7.5 feet tree, and you can buy this twinkly set, like the lights, for another $150 to $200, so that already brings you to $250 to $300. We thought that buying one that's complete, there's like a warranty, and it's also pre-assembled, so we can just put it back in the box. We don't have to restring it, so that's why we got this one. And without further ado, I'm going to unbox it and then assemble it. There's a box in line with the plug, and there's 5 different preset settings. So the first one is rainbow, which you saw earlier. It's essentially a rainbow going down. The next one is number 2 for snow. Number 3 is up down. Number 4 is firework. And number 5 is glow. Back to rainbow. The box did not come with instructions. It came with this flyer, and there's a QR code for the app and about this tree, so I'm going to download the app. So I'm just using my camera on my iPhone. It brings us to the Twinkly app. Let's sign up. So I'll just fill out this information. Searching for a device. It's asking us to choose our Twinkly. There's a generation 1, 2, and Twinkly Music. I think this is a generation 2. We'll find out. Searching for a Twinkly device. Make sure a Twinkly device is close to the mobile device. Press and hold the button until the status LED is greenish blue. So let's press and hold this. No Twinkly found. It's greenish blue. We'll try again. Still searching. Alright, so it says we're connected. Let's use home Wi-Fi. Going to find my Wi-Fi. I'm not going to show you this. Connecting. Alright, so it's asking us to please select the LED count of your Twinkly. We have 435, configure, and it says it's time to set it up. Use the lights to decorate your space / objects. Make sure the maximum LEDs are visible. Once done, we suggest to map your lights for most accurate effects. It's easy, really. Alright, so let's map our lights. Mapping tips: avoid reflective surfaces behind the decoration. Keep the mobile cam steady during the process. Ensure a moderate ambient light, not too dark. Alright, so let's map this light. Let's do it in 2D. So it's asking us to use our camera. I'm just gonna back this camera up. Let's start mapping. Sure, let's save the layout. It's saying that Twinkly would like to send you notifications. Don't really care for that. Let's do a quick rundown of the software. So here's the app. So on the top left it has an account, settings. You can do some carousel effects, enable to automatically play all the pre-installed effects in sequence. Don't really care about that. There's a help and a logout button. So here we just have different light presets. So you can apply this and just have different ones. So down here you can edit the color depth and the speed. So you can apply. I'm not going to do that. Notice that there's a music button, so I previously gave it permission to my microphone, so I'm not going to play music because of copyright infringement issues. But as you can see, as I'm speaking, the lights are going up and down. So if I snap, imagine this was the bass to some song, it would be playing. But I'm not sure if you need to keep it on the screen or not. Because I guess if I apply it, let's see if it keeps the music on. Nope, it doesn't, so I'm not really sure how that works. Here's some more presets. Not sure what this playlist thing is. On the top right, you can turn it on and off. So there's the power button, or power switch. Turn it back on. You can change the brightness, so it registers my finger. Yeah, there we go. You can adjust the brightness. You can set a timer, what time you want it to turn on and what time you want it to turn off. We're not going to do that. And then down here we have the effects store where you can download different ones. Let's try downloading this cascade effect. Let's play it now. Let's apply it. Well, it's kind of cool. Alright, different ones. A blade rain. Let's try that one. Right, there it goes. In the middle we have this create FX, so you can choose different colors. I'm going to choose some red right there. I'll choose some green in the middle, blue on the other side, and I guess you can make it thinner. I guess it doesn't spread as much. You can do a sparkle. Let's do some pink sparkles. It's not the most artistic, but you get the idea. You can erase some different modes. You can insert a title. I'm not going to do that. Let's go here. I guess you can remap your layout, and then you can add different Twinkly devices. So that's all of them. For those who are wondering how much wattage it uses, at 1% it's at 24 watts, and at 100%
it's actually 23 watts. So I don't think there's a change in wattage depending on your dimming setting. So if you're thinking if I dimmed it lower, I'd be saving money, I don't think that's the case.
All right, for a quick review, I've only had this for 20 minutes or so. I really like it so far. I like how it came pre-assembled in 3 separate pieces, so it's pretty simple to set up. There's just poles that attach to each other. The 3 different parts, you just unwrap them, stick them onto each other. There's like metal hinges, so the leaves or branches just like pull down. So I guess when you do reassemble it or store it for the future, you would disconnect it, pull out the 3 different sections, just fluff up the leaves or branches, and then put it away. It's pretty simple. You don't have to do that mess with unstring all the lights and all that stuff, but we don't have ornaments or any garlands or any other decorations on right now. I like how it comes with a pedal on the bottom. There's 5 different presets, so you don't actually have to have a smartphone to control this. That's an additional feature if you want to change the different lights, download different templates online, customize your own, do your own colors and your effects, and all the other stuff. It's good to have that option. I also saw that there's an option to play music with this. I know there's an attachment that you can buy, like a USB microphone attachment, that I think it controls this. I'm not too familiar with it, but you can check that out as well and see how that works. I saw that in one of the pages on the app, there's like a microphone setting where if you enable it, the phone will pick up sounds like music, like ambient music, and then the lights would adjust accordingly, like pulsate or change according to the music. I don't know if you can play your playlist on your phone and have this like beat as well. I think that's possible. I read that it was possible, but I wasn't able to do that, so can't really speak on that. I guess one thing, they're like really small things that I didn't like was that when we're fluffing this out, that's just part of setting up a Christmas tree, an artificial Christmas tree. We're just fluffing it and these pieces came off, so I guess do expect that to happen. I think this is only indoor rated. I'm not sure if you can use this outside. There was a 2-year warranty on the lights themselves and a 5-year warranty for the tree. I'm sure that the lights are the first thing that are going to go if something happens, and I think if a bulb goes out, I don't want to speak for sure, but if one bulb goes out, all of them will still work. So that's just a very quick review of this 7.5 twinkly light set tree. You can probably buy these lights and put on your own tree if you want, but I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of unboxing, setting up, pretty simple. Set up in you could probably do it in 2 minutes if you wanted to, and then just going through the software and then just my quick review. So if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Let me know if you have this tree. Let me know if you want this tree, why you want it, just anything. All right, so thank you guys, and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays.